Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the brother MFC-T910DW printer driver and download. So it is very simple. Open any browsers to Google search box to type like same, and after that you can see this is first URL is support.brother.com. This is the brother official website. After that click on this first URL. Now this is a brother website, so different OS also there's the mobile, Linux and Mac and Windows. So we are trying to install the Mac. So Mac it is also different. This means server also there, Windows 10 30-bit 32 64 and Windows 11 also there. Select any all the operating system driver installations process almost same. Yeah, so then click to start here. So this is first full software pack, means this is the driver and software included in this setups. That's why its file is 4.2 MB. And this is a printer, only printer and scanner driver. So this is for the USB. Click on it and then agree term. Now after that it will start downloading, and 50.3 MB, and it will take some time and depend about your internet speed. So yeah, then it is completed. Then click on this icons to where it is downloaded, select this. Okay, so this is download in the download folder, so right click and copy this file and minimize everything. Okay, then right click and paste on desktop. So this way is actually basic and very easy to understood. That's why I'm, yeah. So right click and open, and after that it will create another new folder, so you can see GDI. Okay, then click to start, then click on setting. Yeah, after that click on Bluetooth device. Okay, and then you can see there are printers and scanner. Then click on add device. So it will come manual option after 5 seconds. Yeah, you can see, click the add and manual. Then different way to install this. Select this way to already share from the computer and desktop to printer, so you can connect. This is a via IP and host name, so you know the printer IPs, so you can select the next to install. This is Bluetooth and network discovered. This is also in the network, and this is a local printer, network printer, and using this service. Yeah, so manual setting. Then next click on hard disk, have disk. Then click to browse, go to desktop, and this is folder created earlier. Double click to open and select the INF file, this one. Okay, and then click to OK. Again click to OK. So now this is this is your printer. So before click on next, on your printer, connect to your desktop laptop via printer USB cable, and it is done. Then click to next. Now this is printer is installed, and then next, finish. So your printer is installed, you can see. Yeah, okay, yeah. So then it is mandatory after the installations, your printer and your system both restart, and then you have to check it. Okay, thank you so much.